Actually,
this car's been sitting. You're on camera now. You're on video, Steve.
there in this car trying to crank up.
The bumper is the chrome's pitted on the bumper. It's got slotted wheels. A little dent in the fender right there. And the door. I don't think that's no big deal. We're trying to get the hood open. It's got an inside hood latch and it's froze up. It does have hideaway headlights on it. I think. Looks like it does. Yeah, there's the motor right there, electric motor, which is disconnected. Those are, it's got two motors on each side. Could you get it to pull out?
No.
At least you can get in it better on that side.
It's something that's stopping. I don't know if you have to twist it and corner it or what. But it ain't just stuck. It's a combination of pulling it out some way.
I'll try it from that side.
You can see all the way back to that back.
Yeah, but I'm looking for rust in the trunk lip around the warps. You can't see inside the. I wish you hadn't done that. I can't get in the car now. Woo. Woo. Good Lord. How'd you get this door open? Huh? I can't get it open now. There you go. Thank you. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Let me see if I can get in here. Make sure there ain't nothing living in here first. The interior actually looks pretty good. Headliner looks good. The driver's seat don't look too good. We are trying to get this. Oh, I heard it click. Get in here. Okay, we pulled it out from underneath the lean-to. All four tires rolled. All four of them pumped up. First thing that's going right today. She's been sitting in that spot right there since '97. This is 2021. Do the math. This car should clean up good. Motor stuck from sitting. Very happy. I know it's got a little bubbles down there around the rockers and stuff, but this will be a cool car. I'm very glad to get this. And as usual, the Briar's attacking me. It's got the hideaway headlights, but we can't figure out. They're in the open position. They've been disconnected. They're electric motors on each one, and I don't see any way to manually override that and turn them back down. I'd like to turn them back down. It just looks cooler turned down. And you know, I'm all about looking cool. All right, folks, we're gonna get this thing loaded on the trailer. All right, folks, we loaded her up in the rain. It does have hideaway headlights. That's a good, I'm glad you said that. I'll fix that later. I'm gonna do a quick video right here. That's where she was for 35 or 30 years or whatever. Can't get this door to close. We'll work on that later. All right, folks. Let me close this hood and we can head to the car wash and we'll give her a quick wash. Okay, folks, I'm up here at the car wash in the rain with field agent 390. Say hello, 390. Hey. We got the Charger up here. We're gonna give her a good bath. If we can get the hood back open, we caught hell getting the hood open a while ago. Took my expertise and finally figured out. We're gonna give this old girl a bath and clean her up a little bit. And yeah, I can't get that door to, you know, until we get situated. Got slots on it. I think she's gonna clean up good, folks. We'll let you know. We'll give you a look at the inside here. I saw that. The driver's seat's a little ripped up. Headline and all looks to be pretty decent. So other than the driver's seat, I think this is, don't really have to see a whole lot needs to be done on the inside. The dash pad looks good. So let's give her a good bath, folks, and we'll be back with you. Okay, folks, it is raining. Good Lord. We're at, we got, I think I dropped at least 20 bucks in this car wash here. This is the way to do it instead of washing them at home. Saw that guy, what's his name? I can't think of his name. Chris something does the Chargers. He said this is how he cleans his cars. He pulls out the wood. So I thought I'd try it on this one. And as you know, with cleaning, I knew when I bought this car, the negotiations took a long time because I've been around the block. I knew it was going to have a lot of stuff. Now that I've got it clean, it does. It's got all kind of stuff, you know, that you couldn't really see under all the dirt. So I didn't realize the bottom was in. It parked in between two poles. It's hard to get doors open. So it is going to need more body work than I think he thought, but not that I thought. Got some problems right up here. This little nicks and stuff, easy to fix stuff. It's around this door here. This won't be a problem. What's going to be a little tough to fix, of course, is around the glass. I've fixed that before. It's something I enjoy doing, but got a big spot right here too. Which what it means is the glass will have to come out. The new gasket, all that kind of stuff. With a car this old, I put a new gasket in it. So there you have it. I was hoping it would be a little bit better shape than it is because I wanted to go ahead and get on it first. But I believe I'm probably going to do I don't know. I can't make that decision. I bought the 69 Plymouth the other day. And both of these cars, and plus I still got the Barracuda. I got that 66 Barracuda I've already started on. So I got those three and then the Diplomat. So I've got four cars I've started on. But when I saw the opportunity to buy these last two cars, the prices that I was able to get them at, I didn't steal them by no means, but I think I paid a fair price for them. I always get my money back if something was to come up and needed to sell them quick. Now, people are going to ask me if the car's for sale. No, it's not for sale. Now, I bought these last two cars, to save them. So that means, yeah, if somebody comes along and they want some bad enough, they can get them. But I did not buy these cars to flip them. So I'm going to work on them. I'm going to use them to help out on the YouTube channel and different things and just enjoy the cars. And this car here is a 318 car, Poly, 318 Poly. I've always wanted to play with one of those, never have. I'll probably put a full barrel on it and maybe some headers. If I come up with some headers that ain't $1,000 bucks. So yeah, but as far as selling my stuff, not actively, but you know, but I don't, people that get on and just, first thing they do, they see a car and they send you a message, is it for sale? You know, I don't play that. You're interested in the car, come look at it. I'm not gonna send you 1,000 pictures of it and then never hear from you again. I've been there, done that. So I'm not actively trying to sell the cars. If you're interested in them, come look at them, bring your damn money, or stay home. All right. All right, folks, I am going to get in the truck and we're going to head home. We're having like another monsoon here. Went 30, 40 days with no rain, and now all it wants to do is rain for the last 30 hours or so. But there you have it. See how much water we got on the inside. So, well, these two tires went down, so I can't tell you. Alrighty, folks, we're gonna head on to the house. Bob out. Bob's Classic Cars and Parts. Enjoy the channel, folks.